Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can install Shopify on laptop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is simply access your browser. Any browser would work. You don't need to have it installed right away as an app. You can simply access their website. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to the search bar and simply type in Shopify. You will be able to direct it to shopify.com, the official website, and all you have to do is go to section of login or start for free if you have never started. So go to start for free, and you will have to choose a way of signing in. So choose either your Google account, Apple account, if you have a MacBook on, or if you simply want to do it with your Facebook account, you can do that as well, but go ahead, choose a account according to your preference and choose your email address, and then you will be able to add in the code. Since I have had this email, so you simply have to add the code that will be sent to your email itself. Go ahead, check your inbox, add in, and tap on login. You will be able to get logged into your account, and that is it. That's how you can use it. Next time if you have to use Shopify, go to your browser, make sure to add the Shopify as a, you can save it, you can save this website and go to the Shopify itself. You don't need to download it as an application. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.